So finally, there is a good news for you WhatsApp lovers. If you have not updated your application yet, you can update it. Now your WhatsApp latest version 16.60.0 is available. In this version, we have latest security patch of 20 July 2021. Let me show you the biggest update by the basis of feature. You can see here the Telegram option is added. Now you can control your Telegram application messages and your WhatsApp messages both by only one application, that is your WhatsApp. What are more major changes we are going to talk about today in this video? Today in this video we are going to talk about all the features and settings of latest Yo WhatsApp version 16.60.0. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So there is a good news for the Yo WhatsApp lovers that now the latest version of Yo WhatsApp 16.60.0 is available. Just 3 days ago, where GB WhatsApp got update, and now latest version of GB WhatsApp 16.60.0 is available. Similarly, now Yo WhatsApp is also available with the same version like 16.60.0. Yo WhatsApp got update on 20 July means that now Yo WhatsApp have the security patch 21 July 2021. This is one of the best thing. If you are using the old version, please update your application. Now let us see what are the major changes here. First thing, when I open this application, you can see that ads are shown in the home screen, and when I click on here status button, you can see that below my status some ads are shown. Means the ads issues are still there. Now let us talk about earlier we were trying to hide any chat, and let me hide it first. Hide chat is working properly or not. So I hidden the chat. When I click in the search box and I type the name, now you can see that the chat is shown here. Means hidden chat is not working properly. It is shown in search box. This is quite annoying thing. Let me unhide it first. When I click here and I just try to unhide it, so now you can see that the chat is unhidden. When I click here, then you can see that when I click here, we were expecting that the voice changer and lock chat will be available, lock conversation will be available, but that is not available. Let's go back and let us talk about other features. When I click in the bottom, you can see the plus button. Then you can see that the similar options were there as in the past they were there. Now they are there. Like as by clicking this application, you can download unlimited themes and you can apply. By clicking this button, you can customize your home screen and your conversation screen. Let me click on this and let me click here home screen and the conversation screen. When I click on conversation screen, I can set here the wallpaper color. If I want, I can click on color and I can choose color from here. If I want to set any image, I'll click on edit. Similarly, here many options are shown. You can set your icon, text, and many more things are there. It was available in the past version also. When I click here, then you can see that the caller phone option is available. So earlier there was an issue that we were only able to use one caller phone. Similarly, the same thing is here. You can see that only by default one caller phone is available. You cannot download and install others. You can see that these things are not working properly. Let's go back and let's talk about other features. By clicking this option, you can create a new message, you can add a new contact as well, and you can create a new group. And by clicking this option, you can enter to the Yo settings. Let's go back. Let's go to the top and click on Yo settings. Here, let's talk about other features. Similar options are here. You can click on this and you can create a new group. You can create a new broadcast. By clicking this option, you can check it out that your Yo WhatsApp has been accessed in laptop or PC or not. So you can see that my Yo WhatsApp has not been accessed. When I click on again this option, you can see that here the start messages option is available, payment option available, message number, like as you don't want to save number and you want to make a message. By clicking this option, you can make a message. You want to schedule the messages for the future, like you want to record a message right now and you want to send it in future. By using this option, you can do it. By clicking this option, you can restart your application. Let's click on this option now. When I click on this option, similar options are here. You can see that one major difference is here Telegram plugin. We will talk about it, but firstly we need to talk about privacy and security. Click on this. Almost same options are shown. By clicking this option, you can hide your last seen. By this option, you can disable forwarded tag. Means that once when you forward any message to anyone, you don't want that the forwarded tag should be gone with that, then you can enable this option. By clicking this option, you can set that who can call you on your WhatsApp. Like as your contact numbers can call you only, everyone can call you only, nobody can call you only. So here you can use these options. You can hide with status enable, like you want to view anyone's status but you don't want to let him know that you have viewed their status, so you can enable this option. Similarly, what is happening here, you can see that the anti-delete status, someone upload a status and thereafter deletes, but that status will not be deleted for you. It will be there for 24 hours for you if you use this option. Another option is here anti-delete message. Once anyone send a message to you and thereafter delete, but that message will not be deleted for you if you enable this option. Show blue ticks after reply means if someone is making message to you and you have read that, but that blue tick will not be there in that phone until you will make a message. When you reply that message, only that person will get that you have viewed their message. The blue ticks after reply is there. Some options are here. You can make some changes in it, like as privacy, you can contacts, groups and broadcast. Let's go back and let's talk about other options. Go to the universal settings and you can see that on the top two options are shown about the quality. You want to send photos in the best quality, you can enable first option. You want to share your status in a best quality, you can enable second option. Here you can see that if you want to upload any video status of 5 minutes, you can enable this option, but make sure there is a condition that next person should be also having any application which supports 5 minutes status. Only then he can see that. Otherwise for him only 30 seconds will be shown. So make sure when you enable this option, because this option only works when your friend is also have enabled this option. Now let's talk about other features. If you want to send more than 30 media files at a time, then you can enable this option. If you want to, here you can see that send status in best quality, I told you, you can use this option. You want to hide shared images on your WhatsApp with you, so you can hide this option, second and third, like it's all the media files. You want to enable chat heads, you can use this option. And you want to remove the forwarded limit, you can forward messages more than 300 contacts at a time. Self-destructive message you want to enable, you can choose here, and thereafter you can see that some status options are shown. If you enable these all three options, you will not be able to see status of others, you will not be able to view status of others. So make sure you don't enable this, otherwise you will have a problem. I have seen that a lot of viewers are making comments that I'm not able to access status of my friends because of these three options. Please make sure don't enable these options. Now two options are shown here. By enabling these two options, you can auto update your application. Let's go back. Let's talk about backup and restore. Once when I click on backup and restore, you can see that some options are shown. If you want to make a backup in your cloud storage, two options are here. You can log in your Mega account and your Dropbox account. If you don't log in, then what will happen when you click here? Your backup will be in your file manager. You can say that in your phone. So make sure that you take a backup properly. If you want to backup in your cloud storage, just log in any of one of them. If you want to take backup of all your media files as well, then you can enable this option. Now let's go back and let's talk about another one. Here's the home screen. What you want to see in your home screen, like it, let me show you. This is called home screen. Here you can see the search boxes here. Same you want to DND mode option here. Same you want light mode, dark mode option here. You can enable those all option here by clicking home screen. So let's go to the user settings and let's go to the home screen. Here you can enable these all options, and these all options will be shown in your home screen. Let's go back. Let's talk about the one of the biggest you may say update, Telegram plugin. When I click on Telegram plugin and I enable, you can see that once when I enable, click yes. So what will happen? You will receive a text message in your Telegram, because I have already used it. That's why for me, you can see that now Telegram is here. By clicking this, I can access my Telegram account. Whatever messages are sent are received by me in Telegram, I can just control from here. So this is one of the biggest update in latest EU WhatsApp. Click on this application, go to your settings, and thereafter you can see here themes, dye theme and color font. I have already discussed about these all the options. So this is all about your settings latest version 16.60.0. If you have not updated yet and you are your WhatsApp lover, please update it and enjoy this application and latest security patch. This is all about today. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Very soon we'll see you again. For the time being, bye bye.